Hey friends, welcome back to John Drinks. Today I want to share with you a lovely whiskey sour that's perfect for the winter season. It is called the Elks Own. You're pretty much going to make a whiskey sour, but we're going to add just a little bit of port. This classic was first published in 1927 in the book Barflies and Cocktails, though the origins of this date back to the early 1800s even. Now the traditional garnish states to use a wedge of pineapple as garnish, but I've seen that in more recent times people have been opting for nutmeg. I'm going to take it a little step further and use some grated clove to give it that extra toasty feel. Let's make an Elks Own. First to our shaker, we're going to add 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. After that, we're going to add a whole ounce of rye whiskey, 3/4 ounce of port, a 1/2 ounce of a rich demerara syrup. Then we're gonna crack our egg into our other shaker because we want just the white. And this way, in case we drop it in some yolk, we don't have to start over. We're gonna drop our egg white in. And then we're gonna give that a quick dry shake. After our dry shake, we're gonna have some ice and we're gonna give this another shake. And then we're gonna get a glass of choice. And we're gonna give that a nice double strain. And then for garnish, I'm just gonna do a tad bit of nutmeg. And that is a Elks Own. Wow, that is so smooth. First taste, it tastes really close to a whiskey sour, and that is the base of the recipe, but you get some nutmeg on the nose and just a little hint of that port taste, adding a little extra layer of flavor. It's very smooth. Lots of those spicy rye notes as well. It's just a delicious drink to have in the winter. If you have a bottle of port kicking around, I definitely recommend you trying this first chance you get, because it's one hell of a sipper. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if there's anything else you would like to see. Until next time, cheers!